what can we do to stimulate global aggregate demand? And before the crisis, before the meeting in Copenhagen, I was hoping that there would be a global agreement at Copenhagen that would lead to what we call a high price of carbon, making people realize the cost of polluting the atmosphere with carbon. And that would have provided incentives for people to invest, to get more carbon-efficient technology, more carbon-efficient energy, carbon-efficient cars, carbon-efficient housing, really a retrofitting of our economies to reflect the realities of this cost of carbon. In effect, one of the scarcest, scarcest resources, the atmosphere, we are treating as if it were a free good. And this idea of mispricing is a very important idea. In a sense, what happened in the global financial crisis was that in the United States, we mispriced housing. And when we repriced housing, when we went from the mythical bubble prices to real prices, what happened? It caused an economic trauma that the world is still feeling. Well, that mispricing is small compared to the mispricing in carbon. The price of carbon in the United States is zero. In Europe, it's a little higher. But the true price should be something like, most economists think, around $80 a ton. And that will happen. It will happen that the price will adjust because we will be forced to do it. But if we don't do it in a smooth way, it will be a crisis. And when that happens, it will have traumatic effects.